Valiant soldier boys today fight in the wheat fields of Ukraine, pushing back the filthy hordes in the storm of bullet rain. Russian orcs were sent to feast upon the blood of innocents. The boys on blue and yellow push them back over the fence. There's an Aussie in the buckwheat, there's a Scouser grenadier, and behind him there are Irishmen with origins unclear. Warriors of the world emerge with freedom with no names. Slava Ukraini, glory to Ukraine. The wolves came from the east, and Cossack hunters took their heads. Then dragons' fire rained on children hiding in their beds. Zelensky and his people said, "You'll never take our land." And the warriors came marching in with rifles in their hands. There's an Aussie in the buckwheat, there's a Scouser grenadier, and behind him there are Irishmen with origins unclear. Warriors of the world emerge for freedom with no names. Slava Ukraini, glory to Ukraine. Let them turn the orcs to ashes, let them fertilize the grasses. Our children eat the corn that their corpses have grown. Let them turn the orcs to ashes, let them fertilize the grasses. Let them children eat the corn the Russian corpses have grown. There's an Aussie in the buckwheat, there's a Scouser grenadier, and behind him there are Irishmen with origins unclear.